Dear friends and well wishers, good evening and Eid Mubarak. This is Jahangir Alam, belonging disability community of Bangladesh as a visual impaired and representing Visual Impaired People's Society, a graduate blind people organization. About 180 members are belonging in this group. And also, I am working in a National Disability Expertise Organization, Center for Disability in Development. Today, we are going to celebrate one of the greatest Muslim religious festival. It's called Eidul Adha. This festival is the way to sacrifice the love and asking peace towards Creator. I am requesting all of you to enjoy this occasion and remember the people with different marginalization and vulnerabilities, those who are living with you. All of you know that the worldwide COVID-19 pandemic situation is going on. Like other countries, in Bangladesh, the marginalized community is facing lots of challenges and living very vulnerable life, such as don't have enough education opportunities, employment opportunities, recreation and cultural opportunities. Informal lockdown is going on, considering so-called social distancing and other issues. Especially the people with disabilities are facing much more challenges, as because the people with disabilities need always assistance when he or she want to go out from his or her home, need sighted guide, caregiver, special assistance, whatever, considering the diversity of disability. In this situation, the people with disabilities are much more vulnerable than the other peoples to affect coronavirus. So, people with disabilities are losing education, employment, social life, such as social inclusion and cultural events. Even people with disabilities are facing difficulties to lead the daily living activities. So, my earnest request to all of you, especially the AHI friends and colleagues based in Japan and all over the world, to consider people with disabilities in your existing development program. I am lucky that I am one of the AHI ILDC participants. I participated in 2016 along with my other 13 friends, and the 16 weeks course, I found lots of things and I got a very important information and lots of ways to lead the community with the marginalized. So it is really a comprehensive course and I enjoyed much. Particularly, I am really grateful and happy towards AHI authority because after a long time I got the opportunity to participate as a person with disabilities along with other 13 without disability. And from this time, AHI authority decided to include people with disabilities in their each ILDC courses. And I would like to say that this year, one of my colleague with speech and hearing disability, she is going to participate next year along with other participants. So again, I would like to say thanks to AHI for changing their mindset, changing their decisions, and taking the ownership of people with disabilities in their very comprehensive training course. So again, I would like to say thank you everybody for listening me and take care, stay safe, please follow the social distancing and health tips by each of your country perspective. Remember each other, and again I would like to say please address people with disabilities, women, senior citizens, children and other vulnerable communities within your existing development program, which will surely make a barrier-free, inclusive society for all. Considering the philosophy of SDG, no one leaving behind, we should say we the people with disabilities do not like to stay behind. We want to stay together with you because togetherness is very much essential in this COVID-19 pandemic situation to overcome the challenges in a well coordinated manner. Finally, take care and goodbye.